Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. We are doing a vampire gory bloody design. For those of you who requested this video, here you guys go. If you did not, I hope you guys enjoy it. So I am taking my Young Nail Speed Clear and placing that on the tip of my nail. And then all I'm doing is taking the red and bringing that down. So the reason why I put that layer of clear is kind of just to have a wet, slippery base to be able to drag that red down a lot easier. It also creates a more realistic like splatter because, you know, some parts of blood splatter tend to be darker and some tend to be a lot more sheer depending, you know, on how much blood dripped there. So that's kind of what I like to do. I am also taking black acrylic and placing that on parts of the nail. I do this because it gives it that more of like the dry blood look, and I think it's super cool. So I do recommend doing that. I have done it in the past where I just used red, and it still looked great, but putting that black in there gives it that deeper blood, like dark, dry look. So this was kind of a cool little thing that I discovered. Again, I am just placing it on the nail and kind of moving it around wherever I think. The key to getting a good blood design, I want to say, is not overthinking it. Just grab your colors, place it on there, move it around, splat it here, kind of just dab it in different spots, and you're gonna get more of that realistic look. Do not overthink it. This is kind of like a marble design. You don't want to overthink it because then you're probably not going to achieve the look that you're looking for. So again, do not overthink it. Just do it. All right, so I wanted to add that the red that I'm using is from GLAM and GLITS Blend Collection. I will link that specific color down below, and I did mix it with black to get the deeper color. It's a little bit lighter. I really like this color because it's pretty sheer, so it like immediately gives that like liquidy blood look. So highly recommend this color for this design. You want it to be a little bit more sheer so it looks pretty cool. Again, I will link that down below, and I used that red, mixed it with black to get more of a deeper tone red to look a lot more like blood. Now I'm using black from Premium Nails, and I will link that down below as well. This is one of the newer brands that I kind of discovered. I received some of their products from the Orlando Premiere Nail Show, so that was pretty cool. They were doing like this little giveaway, and I entered it and I won their entire acrylic system, so that was pretty neat. I discovered that I really like their acrylic, so if you have not heard of them, highly recommend them. I use their black a lot, and then they have a lot of pretty little sheer pinks, so check them out if you have not. So again, I will link that down below. My clear is Speed Clear from Young Nails, my all-time go-to. Seriously, you guys, that clear is like crystal clear, and it dries a little bit faster than most acrylics, which I absolutely love because I do like working faster. So yeah, link down below. Do not forget to shop through my codes as you will get discount. And I believe here I'm just showing you how I finished off the nails. So I basically just take my Speed Clear, encapsulate, and I know I cut it off a lot sooner than finishing the entire set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try it out. Tag me if you guys do. I hope to see a bunch of gory nail designs. I will try to come out with a lot more Halloween inspired tutorials. But again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really, really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much.